So I've opened the Scratch and this is the first screen that I see. We have the cat sprite character. Now I would create a game which involves a main character flying around the screen. So the cat is not great for flying, we know. So I can choose the different sprite character. So firstly I need to delete this sprite character, the cat character, and we do that by pressing the delete button, or else we can right click here and choose delete from the drop down menu and the cat disappears. Now at the bottom of the right hand corner you have various options. We can either upload the sprite, or we can get a surprise, or we can paint our sprite, or else we can choose a sprite from the available options. So I will choose the easiest one now, and I will choose the green button for choosing a sprite. Now our library is opened where you have various options like animals, people, fantasy, dance, etc. You can choose, I can choose, for example, in this example, I want to a flying character just like a ghost in the fantasy. So I would select the fantasy, and we have the scroll down option, and you can choose many characters from the available options. But for this example, I would like to choose the ghost character. So I will click on the ghost and it appears in your stage. So this way you can change the sprite character. Now for example, I don't want the ghost. I want a bird for my story. So again, what I will do, I can go to the delete option. I can press the delete button, or else I will right click and I will choose delete from the drop down menu. I can choose my sprite from the available characters. I will press here. I will go to the library. For example, now I will choose the category animals, where I can select various birds which are there in your library. So I can use the scroll down button and I can choose, for example, the parrot. So the parrot appears here. Now for example, so I want the sprite character to be a flying object, and the flying object is not there within the library. So what I can do, I want to upload it from my computer. So before that I need to delete the available sprite. So I will go to the delete button, or else I can right click here and choose delete option, and then I can go to the top one option, upload sprite, where I can get the helicopter from my computer. Now you can see here that there is a lot of image background that has come along with the helicopter. So I can go to the costume. Here there is a costume option. I can modify the background. For example, I can go to the eraser option. I want to erase my background, and simply I can erase this background to get only the helicopter. So this is how you can create the helicopter or upload the picture of the sprite from your computer and modify it. You can also do the option of paint. So for example, I don't want the helicopter, I want a snowman for my story. So I can go to the delete option, or I can right click and choose the delete button, and then I can go to the paint option and I can paint my sprite using simple shapes, for example circle, line, etc. So I can choose here the circle one, and I can draw a small circle like this, and then I can change the for example color here. So I can change it to pink, and then I can draw a second circle just like this, and then it moves here. I can change the color here of that particular circle if I want, and similarly if I want to draw the eyes, for example, I can use the black color. So this is one eye and this is the second eye, like this. So this way I'm showing you how we can add the sprite within your stage. So we have 4 available options where we can add the sprite. One is from the library, choose the sprite from the library. Second one, we can paint, just like this example. Or else we have a surprise. Surprise is not within our hand. So it has a specific, for example, if I click here, you will get this one. So you never know what type of sprite is it. And or else you can upload your sprite from the computer. So this way you can change and add sprite to your stage.